Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we are gonna be talking about the top 5 best drones of 2021. Yes, before the video starts, I wanna let you guys know that the drones will be in no particular order. It's just my top 5 that I think is the best due to their camera or features that they have. I will drop the price in the description, so if you're interested in buying them, just check the description out. Something else, if you have a different top 5, just let me know down in the comments. I will try. Coming at number 1, we got the Mavic 2 Pro. The Mavic 2 Pro is one of the best, most popular drone models in the market because of its compact size and large array of intelligence feature. With a professional grade camera from Swedish camera manufacturer Hasselblad. The Hasselblad camera offers 20 megapixel photography with enhanced HDR and color sensitivity. The Mavic 2 Pro may be small, but it's perfect for professional photography, videographers, and content creators, just to name a few. Its portable design makes it an action companion for traveler bloggers, documentary compiler, commercial drones pilot in any industry. The key feature that makes this drone one of the best or in the top 5 best is that they can film in 4K 10-bit HDR video. It can fly a maximum time of 31 minutes and it can go a speed of 45 miles per hour in sport mode, which is pretty. Coming at number 2, we got the U49WF FPV. The U49 for shortcut camera drone have an altitude hold and a first person view. Screen with camera live video, so you can see exactly what the HD camera of your drone sees in real time. It also comes with an extra battery to help you fly for even longer before having to charge, and an outstanding 720p camera for clear HD picture and live video. Add that to its impressively long flight time of 25 minutes with the extra battery, and you're looking at a great drone for beginner at inexpensive price. The key feature or specs about this camera is the 720p HD camera resolution and the 12 to 25 minutes flight time per battery. At number 3, we got the Ruko B7. The B7 drone proves that you don't need to drop $1,000 for a great drone. Its feature is unique dual camera system with a 4K front camera and a 1080p camera on the bottom of the drone, which is unheard of at this price point. The included follow me mode and gesture control allow you to capture cinematic footage or even capture a selfie. Enjoy up to 36 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligence flight batteries. The rock design of the Ruko B7, it's an optical flow positioning system, ensure a stable and safe flight experience. The ease of the operation and the number of robust features make this the perfect drone for beginners drone pilots. The key specs or feature about this drone is that it can film or capture up to 4K and 1080p, and it can fly for 36 minutes. Coming at number 4, we got the Skydion II. The Skydion II is a great drone, and the reason why is if you're looking for a Hollywood style shots without complex equipment and a high operation cost, well, you can get this drone. With an advanced 45 megapixel obstacle avoidance camera system, it's designed to take the heavy workload off the pilot. Intelligent flight modes allow you to zip through even the most complex terrain without losing sight of the subject. The Skydio II records stunning 4K HDR footage at 60 frames per second and capture 12 megapixels stills. With a top speed up to 36 miles per hour, they capture dynamic cinematic shots with ease. Fly from the app, handheld beacon remote, or with a controller for even more precision. Its portable design makes it a compelling option for traveling bloggers, documentary compilers, and commercial drone pilots in any industry. The thing that makes this drone one of the best is the 4K HDR at 60 frames per second video resolution, and the maximum flight height is 23 minutes. But do not forget the 36 miles per hour. So if you want a fast drone that can move fast and do whatever you want, this one's a good one for you. Coming at number 5, you know what they say, save the best for last. We got one, it's a little bit more expensive, not a little bit, it is more expensive, but in my idea it's the best. If you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment your top 5. Let's get into it. At number 5, we got the Autel E42. with a price point started just under $1,500. The newly released Autel E42 is a serious contender in the increasingly competitive foldable drone segment. The Autel E42 drones pack some serious hardware under their bright orange shell. With 40 minutes of flight time, it also has the longest flight time of any prosumer drone offered on the market. A unique feature with the E42 is the ability to change out the gimbal payload. It can equip with an 8K sensor, 6K Pro sensor, or dual sensor that combines a 8-core sensor with a terminal sensor. The ability to alternate sensor is unheard of in the customer drone market. With 12 advanced omnidirectional computer vision sensor, the drone can easily navigate the most challenging environments while focusing on the task. The things that make this drone right here one of the best drones in my idea is that it can film up to 8K. You can change the lens. You can change the lenses. The max flight speed is 45 miles per hour. The max flight time is 40 minutes, and it can still take 48 megapixel images resolution. Wow, this drone is just a beast. But if you have a different top 5, let me know down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I can make you hind. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.